Okay, so this is a very quick video basically on how to remove and then refit the front seat. It's dead simple, but if you've never done it, you might just not know. Okay, so to remove it, all you need to do is remove the screw from this side here, and obviously there's one on the opposite side. You remove those two screws and then you just simply lift the front of the seat, pull it forward and then lift it out. Okay, now replacing it is fairly straightforward as well, but there's just one or two things you need to be aware of. So when you come in to refit it, you have to make sure that these two lugs here actually locate into these two little brackets here. That stops the back end of the seat lifting up. Okay, so you just carefully put them in position, slide them in, and then just push the front of the seat down. So then when you come to fix the front, you need to make sure that the bodywork now, this rear cowl which is loose, and obviously the seat which has changed position a little bit, make sure that they all line up with the hole in the frame. Okay, and then insert the bolt and start it off. Once you know that the threads have started, okay, you keep tightening until you start to feel the resistance. Now if you've got the original screw, what you'll see is the screw is going to be shouldered. This is a third party aftermarket one, aluminium, and you can see it's got this shoulder. So as you tighten the screw up, eventually that shoulder is going to start pressing. If it's not exactly in line with the hole in the bodywork, it's going to start pressing against the bodywork. So once you feel this tighten up, all you do is just give the bodywork a jiggle and it will pop over onto that spacer, and then you can carry on tightening it up. And apart from that, that's it. It's as simple as that. Screws out, lift it off, place it back in, screws back in. Okay, that's all for now. If you liked the video, then leave a like. If you didn't like the video, then leave a dislike. Either way, leave a comment, suggestion, or any questions you may have in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my future content. Once again, thanks for watching.